In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge PDF files in Foxit. Merging PDF documents can streamline your workflow, especially when you need to compile multiple files into one neat package. Let's walk through the process, ensuring it's as straightforward and user-friendly as possible. First, you'll want to open the Foxit PDF editor on your computer. Once you have Foxit launched, we're going to navigate through some simple menu options. Head over to the top left corner of your screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, you'll see a couple of different pathways to reach the combining tool. You can either hover over Create and then select Combine Files, or you can choose Convert and then click on Combine Files. Now, a new dialog box titled Combine Files is going to pop up. This is the hub from where you can select and manage the files you want to merge. Your first task here is to add the files you intend to combine, so click on the button labeled Add Files. This action will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to browse your computer's directories. Here, simply locate and select the PDFs you wish to merge. A tip to save time is to hold down the Control key or Command key on Mac if you want to select multiple files at once. Once you've added your files to the list, the next aspect to pay attention to is their order. The sequence here is crucial because it will determine how the final merged document reads. You can use the Move Up and Move Down options to reorder your files, or if you prefer a more hands-on approach, you can drag and drop the files directly into place. Arrange them until they follow the sequence that is most logical for your needs. After you're satisfied with the order of the files, the next step is merging them. Look for the option that says Combine. If you've navigated through the Convert path earlier, this may appear as Convert instead of Combine. Clicking this button will initiate the merging process. Depending on the size and number of PDFs, this step may take a moment, so be patient as Foxit works its magic. Once the process is complete, the newly merged PDF will automatically open in Foxit, ready for you to review. Finally, it's important to save your work. Head over to the File menu again and click on Save As. Choose a directory that's easy for you to remember, and when naming the file, consider giving it a meaningful name that reflects its contents. This will aid you immensely in locating it later. With these steps completed, you now have a single cohesive document, neatly consolidating the multiple PDFs you started with. You've mastered the art of combining PDF files using Foxit, streamlining your digital document management efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and happy editing.